Hello, this is Brand DevOps, and this is Docker Challenge 1, Level 1. And we are just going to be installing Docker on Server 1, Docker CE, and Docker Compose. Make it. Sudo privileges. And I'm just going to run these lists of commands in the terminal. You can just get this off of Docker's documentation on the website. And this is going to take a little while to install, so I'll come back when everything is finished. Welcome back. All my packages are now installed, and we see here they created a sync link, S-link that should demonstrate that the Docker service is running, so we can just check that now. As you can see, it's enabled and it's active, so everything should be ready to pass verification. Thank you, and that's the end of this one.